The new health alert from the CDC. This after 5 confirmed cases of malaria in 2 states. ABC's Rena Roy joins us with more on this rare health advisory. Rena, good morning.
Janae, good morning to you. This is the first time we've seen malaria acquired locally here in the U.S. since 2003. And now the CDC is out with this rare health advisory. In Texas, one man speaking out about his experience with the serious disease.
This morning, for the first time in 20 years, the CDC sounding the alarm about locally acquired malaria cases here in the U.S. 4 cases of the mosquito-borne disease detected in Florida and 1 in Texas. National Guardsman Christopher Shingler tells us he became patient zero in Texas while stationed at the Texas-Mexico border back in early May.
I started having fevers and vomiting, and that was the first time I went to the hospital.
He was working on the Rio Grande River, where he was heavily bitten by bugs, including mosquitoes. A week and a half later, he says the symptoms began. The 21-year-old tells us he was initially misdiagnosed with a viral infection and sent home to recover.
After another week, it was not getting better at all.
That's when he went to the ER again in early June, diagnosed with malaria. Mosquito control trucks now spotted on Florida's Gulf Coast, crews spraying affected areas, some residents taking extra precautions.
I've had to be more careful using mosquito repellent, which I never used to do.
The CDC says malaria is serious and potentially fatal if left untreated. Officials calling the disease a medical emergency that should be urgently evaluated within 24 hours of symptoms, such as fever, chills, headache, body aches, and fatigue.
The people who are at highest risk are infants, the elderly, people with the weakened immune systems, pregnant individuals, and people who may not have access to health care.
Now, the CDC says despite these 5 cases, the risk of locally acquired malaria remains extremely low in the U.S., and that the cases in Florida and Texas do not appear to be related. Guys.
Wow. That's even more alarming, though, that the cases don't appear to be
That's
related.
what I thought, too. Yeah. And being from Florida, I mean, we always see little cases coming around with mosquitoes and things. Just really protect yourself. Take it seriously.
Exactly.
Because obviously this can have an effect.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's 5 cases that we know about. There's
Exactly.
probably,
Exactly.
more widespread. Rena, thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
We'll be on the lookout for malaria in the U.S. Who would have
Yeah.
thought?
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.